Hi guys, it's Nitu. Today I made this dish. It's Chirashi sushi, but only with salmon. I forgot the name for it because tekka donburi is the name for the dish with maguro or tuna on top, and it's on a bed of sushi rice. So what I made is a bed of sushi rice with raw salmon on top and the sorry for the noise, and some sliced onions as well, and of course soy sauce and wasabi. This is actually one of my favorite things to eat. I love sushi, but at home it's just so much easier instead of doing the nigiri sushi to make this instead. If you want to know how I prepared the salmon into pieces like this, you're gonna have to watch my previous video, and if you want to know how to do this, then please keep watching. For this recipe, you need some salt, it's just normal salt, soy sauce, wasabi, onions finely sliced. I'm going to use the small pieces, not the big pieces. There are big pieces in there, but I'm using the small pieces. This is brown rice vinegar, and that's to make the sushi rice. Salmon. Also, the salt is actually to put in the rice to make the sushi rice. Sometimes I put sugar in it, but generally I just mix some salt and vinegar to make the sushi rice. This is the cup that came with the rice cooker, and I have 1 cup in there, and I'm going to pour out another half. Oops. So another half a cup in there. Of Japanese rice. 1 cup of rice means that, following the numbers here, you should put the amount of water to number 1 on here on the scale that's in there. But it actually starts at number 2, so you have to imagine where number 1 is, and in my case where 1.5 would be. And I haven't had any problems with doing that. So now with the water in, I'm going to just put that in there. So now I just put the pot, the rice cooker pot. What do you call that? The rice cooker pot. The rice cooker pot. That's what I'm going to call it. I just put that in there and close the lid and press start, and it'll automatically be ready and go beep beep when it's done, and then it'll say 0H, and that means it's just keeping it warm. But this is the cancel button, so you press that when you want to cancel. Can you see me? The rice is going to be done soon, in about 7 minutes, and I'm going to slice the fish. And I'm not actually using the right knife. I'm just going to slice some fish for the Chirashi sushi that I'm making.
In Japanese, tekka donburi is like the Chirashi sushi with tuna, but I forgot what it is. Sake donburi? Is it sake donburi or I don't know. So I'm just slicing it for what I'm making today. And that's okay.
I'm going to prepare the sauce now in a bowl. And this is wasabi, and this is the chunky kind. It's not the smooth kind, and it's not the fake kind either. This is a very good quality, and it's a chunky kind of wasabi. So it looks like that. It has actual pieces of wasabi in it. For sushi, I like to use the Kikkoman brand because just like nothing tastes as good as this brand for sushi. Because for soups and other things, I prefer the Korean Jin brand, and there's Jin Gold. And this is for sushi, I like the Kikkoman regular soy sauce. So I put some soy sauce and there's wasabi, and I'm just going to mix that together. And that is the sauce. You can use chopsticks too, but I'm using this. It doesn't change color so much, but it has pieces of wasabi in it. Okay, the rice is ready. I'm going to mix it a bit and let it cool down, because for this dish, the rice needs to be cold or cool. Not cold, but like room temperature is okay. Okay, here I have the sushi rice, and it's still warm, but you know, it's not boiling hot, but it's still warm. I'm just gonna put some salt, just a little bit of salt, like really, just really a teaspoon of salt. And about just a tablespoon of vinegar. Okay. I don't use much at all. And I'm just gonna mix it. I just mix it like that. And let it rest until it's room temperature. Now I'm gonna take a plate and put some rice in the plate. I'm gonna make a circle. Like that. And then I'm gonna take the salmon that I had sliced earlier, and I'm just gonna use my hands, and I'm just gonna put it on top. You can try to put it on top more beautifully than what I'm doing.
There's some smaller pieces, some bigger pieces.
And then I'm gonna take some of the littler onions and put some of that on top as well. And now I'm just gonna put on some of the soy sauce mixture that I had made. Et voila! Ta-da! I'm actually gonna film myself eating it this time. It's really good, guys. I hope that if you know, where I live, it's hard to get sushi, and it's kind of more expensive because it's kind of special. Instead of like when I was in Tokyo, it was a lot easier to get. So I started to do it by myself at home, and it's really good. So if it's easy for you to get sushi, then it's easy for you to go around and, you know. But if you want to do it at home, this is how I do it, and it's really good. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.